Welcome. In front of me is an LG Wing, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. And to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture, which I'm going to use settings as an example. And when it's open, all you need to do is press and hold power key and a volume down, both of them at the same time. There we go. And as you can see, it will show you a couple options right here. So you can make a scrollable screenshot with the down arrow. You can share it, delete it, and there was a couple other things. So let's see, edit it. But as an example, there is the scrollable one, I believe. And as you can see, it will start scrolling down till it reaches the end or till you basically stop it. Okay, and there we go. Oops, I don't want to do that, so... Okay, so as you can see, there is the scrollable screenshot. You just scrolled with 2 fingers. So from here you can just tap on the check mark to save it, and there we go. And there is no shortcut in the notification for screenshots, nor any kind of gesture to take it, so the only way to do it is using the power key and volume down. And once you take your screenshot, it can be found in the gallery app. So you can see there is one right over here, another one, and one more. So basically all the ones that I have captured. And that is how you capture screenshots on this device. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.